Hello everyone, welcome to the DerichFX. I'm here on step index. The reason why I'm coming up with a step index strategy is because most of my subscribers, they say that I do much of boom and spike strategies, and they ask me if I don't trade other indices. So I said, of course, yes, I do trade other indices like step index, jump index, and volatility, just name it. So I sell all these markets, okay? So, and I don't just sell it, I sell and I make profit. So that's exactly what I do, and I do give signals on all these indices. If you want to, you can check on my Telegram link below this video. You come in there and see what has been happening and also get free signals. All right. So right now I'm coming up with a step index strategy that is going to help you also to trade these indices with profit. All right. So let me show you how I trade this market. All right. The first thing I do is to look at the market direction. All right. To see how the structure is. From the structure, I'll be able to know where exactly the market is heading to, if it's a downtrend or if it's an uptrend. Okay, quickly, first I have to check on, secondly rather, I have to check on zones, all right, to see where I can place my support and also where I can place my resistance. So if you are a learner and you want to grow, you want to know how to trade professionally, I would recommend you watch this video and do well to leave a feedback, okay? So the first thing I have to do is to place my trend line using horizontal line. So this is my support, all right, because this is where the market, gets to before this other one is trying to build up. So definitely this one is also getting to this point. So even if I should check back, I should back test, you will still see that probably market has been respecting this particular support. So let me just check. All right, yeah, you can see here market has been respecting that line, that support. All right, let me just still go back. You can see also a retest also happened around here, so I'm still going back. All right, so you can see here, you can also see market has been doing structures around this area. So that particular place is a strong support. So definitely I know that this market is going to, this one that is building down is going to respect this support. So after I've spotted my first support, I have to look out for my resistance. All right, so simply you can see the resistance here also. Yeah, so I have to use my horizontal line, and I placed here is my resistance. All right, where the market went to before. So if I should also check, you will see down. All right, you can see here, you can see here. So market also has been respecting that resistance. All right, so the next thing I would love to check is if there's any other zones that that might cause a reversal. So I'm seeing another zone right now, so I have to also spot the zone to avoid losing in my trade. So I'm seeing another zone here. The reason why I'm placing this second support is because I'm seeing a rejection here. All right, market has been retesting this place. You can see also here, you can see here, so you can see also here. So I have to also respect that place, that place to place a support, just in case market will come and also respect that support and still bounce back to resistance. And sometimes market will break the support and still come down to the last support, which is this one. Sometimes market will break this one and still come down to this one. All right, so I have to respect these zones. So after I've spotted that, the next thing is I want to see the movement of the bullish and the bearish candles, all right, which simply means the market direction. Right now, if I should check, I'm seeing this market being on a downtrend. Why am I saying that? Is because I'm seeing a lower high, all right. I'm seeing series of lower highs. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here. So this market is coming down. So if I should place my trend line here, from here, drawing it down to here, so you will see that this market is going down, and somehow this market will always respect that trend line if I should place in trend line there. So after that, I have to look for opportunity, all right, to buy or to sell. Sometimes you will ask, how do I know when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell? You don't just jump into the market. You have to wait for the market to do its thing, and later on you now check for a good opportunity for you to take a buy or to take a sell. All right, so what you have to do is that you don't just jump into a candle that is trying to build. You have to wait for a candle like this particular candle that is building now. If you want to buy now, it's very wrong. All right, so you can buy right now, and the next candle that is coming up will drag down. All right, so if you should buy right now and the next candle comes up and the candle is now going down, you will see that you will be on a loose side. You will lose on the market. All right, you will be on the loose side. So you have to wait for this candle to close, and the next candle that will be coming up will tell you exactly if you should buy, continue buying the market, or if you should sell. So if the next candle now comes up bullish and still drag up, you will know very well that this market is going to drag up, being that you have already checked on, or maybe a lower time frame. You can check on, mostly you can check on 5 minutes time frame to check to know. You can see the candle. You can see the candle is still building. All right, and for you to be very sure when you are checking on your on your zones, you can go on a 1 hour, all right, to see how the market has been. All right, so going to 1 hour will help you to see exactly if the market is dragging up or if the market is coming down. So after that, you can now come to 15 minutes to take your opportunity to buy or to sell. All right, so after the candle might have built up, closed, then you now look for opportunity to buy the next candle that will be coming up, that will drag you up, you will take you up and place you in profit, or that will take you down and still place you in profit. So you don't just jump into the market like that and start selling, so, or start buying also. So for if you are a learner and you want to grow, you want to know how to maybe you need a guardian, something to guide you through this market. Okay, I will just introduce a moving average. All right, a moving average with maybe period of 40, shift is close method. You keep it exponential and apply close, and then you can use 2 pixel is okay. All right, let me just show you how this works. All right, so you go to your indicator window and you go directly to the moving average. You on your period, you place it on 40. On your shift, you leave it on 0. Then method, you keep it on exponential. Then apply, just keep it on close. Then style, go for 2 pixel. Then choose a brighter color that will be suitable on your screen. My screen is my chart is black, so I like black charts. So I can go for white. Yeah, it's going to show. So you just check on color that will be suitable on your screen. Then after that, you click done. So you can see the moving average right now. You can see the moving average on my screen. All right, you can see how the market is moving. So this will guide you. All right, so you can see the tail of the moving average is pointing down, which simply means that it's a downtrend. It's going to sell down. All right, the market will be selling now. So if you check on this chart, you can see how the moving average has been going. You can see when a market is on a uptrend. You can see when it came back to downtrend. You can see when it went back to uptrend. Same thing here. So you can really see the market movement here, and it's going to help you. So right now, if you want to don't mind the bullish candle, okay, it's trying to build a structure. So if you want to take opportunity to sell, this is opportunity to sell. You will have to wait for this bullish candle to close. After that, a bearish candle will be coming up. You can see the rejection on this week, which simply means that the market won't push up further. The market will be coming down. So the next candle that will be coming up will be going down. Already you can see what the moving average is telling you. You can see the signal here. So you have to pay attention to all these details, and then you will be able to trade with profit. So this is it, guys. On Step Index, I wanted to start trading with profit. I wanted to start creating impact. So I've been using this, not just trying, I've been using this countless times. If you check on the Telegram link below this video, you are going to see our free Telegram. So you just come in there and get free signals. So I've been giving signals on Step Index. We've been making a whole lot of money from this this platform. So I have to now come up and also show you how I do it. All right, so for my subscribers, this is it. Okay, this is how I manage to sell this market with profit, and also send signals, good signals. So if you have any problem, maybe you want to have a good signals to trade your account, do well to come into my free Telegram. That the description is below this video. Come in there, and also you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp, which my WhatsApp link is also on the description of this video. So please feel free to come in and be part of us, and I want you to learn from here. All right, when you are trading, make sure you trade wisely. Make sure you always trade with profit. Don't go out with loss. And so many people, they once they see a market trying to create structures, they will think that they are going in loss, that they are running in loss, without knowing that the market will form a structure and will still head down to your direction, where you will be in so much profit. Some people, they will get scared, they will close out and try to go out with loss. So if you really know your market direction and you know how to handle this, you won't close out with loss. You will know very well that whatever the market is going to do, it's going to go my way. And that's exactly what will happen. So as from now on, I want you to trade wisely, trade professionally, and make sure you go out with profit. Thank you very much. Once again, this is the DerichFX. If you have any problem, do well to contact me directly on my WhatsApp link below this video. All right, so thank you very much, and remain blessed.